Hi, this video contains the essentials of FAUCET for beginners. So you are a beginner and you are looking for a service to access faster to the world of cryptocurrency without capital and without a lot of knowledge. Let me tell you something, you are not a beginner till you begin. I decided to devote this review to beginners because the initiates already know what to do and are probably currently raising money with FAUCET. Before a month, I was like you in search of a tool to make cryptocurrency and especially to know how to create, manage and make it grow, but all the sites to which I had access revealed to me my weaknesses than anything else. It was then that I tried FAUCET, and it was the real beginning of the activities to which I aspired. You can click on the link below before starting to read texts that you are tired of getting drunk and begin effectively with FAUCET. I can also go straight to the point and show you how to proceed and get you started, by showing you how it works at FAUCET website. After registering by clicking on the link below, and registering you will be taken to a menu that contains everything you need. All these actions can be taken with PC, laptop and smartphones and everything is in this friendly menu. Here clearly the main menu. We're going to focus on earn. Isn't earning money in the form of cryptocurrency that you are looking for? The cryptocurrency relating to the FAUCET site is S-Coin, which you can earn as much as you want. Earn is the cave of Alibaba of FAUCET, but not the only one. Once again we will choose the easiest. For me they are, paid to click and videos. Now you will get to know all the cryptocurrencies available on FAUCET by accessing the FAUCET submenu. FAUCETs, the world of cryptocurrency at your fingertips. You can claim up to 13 cryptocurrencies every 30 minutes, isn't it enough? As the appetite comes with eating and you are probably greedy like me, looking at another option offered by FAUCET. This option is called offers. Here you are spoiled for choice, surveys, games, watching videos, visit sites. While you are still in the earn submenu, you probably want to try mining, which is the method of creating cryptocurrency by exploiting your material CPU resources. Asking is served.
There are also the bonuses that depend on your activity on the site and which increase more and more and make your earnings grow. You can convert different cryptocurrencies to each other. You can invite other people to join the group and win with them. That is what I am doing right now with your agreement. But all this is within your reach and I leave it to you to discover it in the days which follow your registration. The other menu items such as dashboard, stat, my account, allow you to monitor your activities and analyze them in order to act better later. You can withdraw your earned coins through Coinbase, Express Crypto, or FAUCET Pay. Coinbase has almost nil fee, but Express Crypto has 5% and FAUCET Pay has a 10% fee. Now you have all that you need to be a very beginner. Click below to be with the cryptocurrency greats. And thank you for watching.